Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping. Cut kernels off 3 ears of corn or measure 3 cups frozen. Heat 1-2 tablespoons oil, then saute a diced onion and 2 minced garlic cloves until soft to build flavor. Once done, add the corn and season with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Cook briefly to caramelize some kernels so their natural sweetness surfaces. Then pour in 4 cups of broth to deglaze the pan and bring everything toward a simmer. You let the pot simmer gently for 12 to 15 minutes so corn softens and flavors meld. Skim any foam for a cleaner taste. Meanwhile, decide how to thicken. Blend 1/2 cup of the soup for body, make a roux with 1-2 tablespoons flour, or whisk a 1 tablespoon cornstarch slurry with cold liquid and stir in. Each method changes texture and mouthfeel. Once thickened, lower heat, and if you want creaminess, stir in 1/2 to 1 cup milk or cream, and warm through. You finish by tasting and fine-tuning. Add salt sparingly, and brighten with 1/4 teaspoon lemon juice or vinegar if it tastes flat. Once the texture is right, stir in herbs or add a sprinkle of chives, parsley, or crispy bacon for contrast. A small drizzle of olive oil adds richness. Make sure the soup is hot but not boiling after dairy is added. If something goes wrong, remember this tip. If it's too thin, simmer to reduce or add a small cornstarch slurry. If too thick, thin with hot broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.